Hi, here is another episode of PUBG Lite Reverse Engineering with Semi and
Warranty weiter.
so for a change today I'm sharing my screen, I'm doing things, and for today's episode we want to expand our PUBG
This,
Lite dissector tool plugin for the wireshark.
yeah.
Right now what we wanna do is to get rid of 2 bits in the header because we know now that they are not here.
Or essentially find out the condition when they are missing.
Yeah, and
So,
if it will be all good, we will see number 5 here instead of 81.
yeah. And that means that would be the login packet. These message IDs is what differentiates the different packets and essentially is how client and server communicate, and they have different structures, so we have to read them properly. And we just found out the header changes, so let's find out how.
Yeah. So if my memory isn't that bad, I think we need to look at the unit connection send raw bunch function.
Not bad. Let's see.
Yeah, we are here. So
Alright.
as far as I see here,
Always 0 is 0. That is true. Then, so line 19. Oh no, 18.
yeah, it's always 0,
Or
right?
19, yeah. So then we have the open or close bit, which is actually just the open bit. So, and if
Yeah.
that is true, only then we read the open and the next open and closed uh, bit. And if closed is true, we read an additional one. Okay, so this is different than we expected. So is replicated paused and be reliable will stay. You see that now, right?
Yeah. And what we need to remove is the be open and be close, right?
Yeah, we have to build this condition now in the dissector. Okay, so just keep this open and switch to the dissector, and let's just go ahead and edit it. Good old Lua.
Okay, so here,
Always 0.
here,
Okay, first we have to get this out into a variable. So insert a line there and write local open is open, and then copy the stuff from the stream. Yeah, and you need more. The stream plus re. Oh yeah, okay, never mind. Okay, now next line. No, it's fine. Oh yeah, okay, that's yeah, true, true. But before the line before, we can already. Oh yeah, that has to always be read, and then the next two have to be checked by the if condition. So insert a line. If is open, then
if it's not, I think.
then compare it with false. I'm not quite sure in Lua how to invert it if statement. Okay, and
Something like that?
so, but let's go back. There's another bit that could be potentially additionally be read. Either code. You see, if be open. No, so it's checked if it's true be opened in line 21.
Yeah.
Okay, so change that first in the packet code.
No, I don't understand. What?
Please go to the dissector code that we want to edit. Just Alt and
Okay.
Tab back and forth. We have to adapt this here. So line 87. Yeah, if is open. That is true, not false, so you can remove all of that. If is open, then bam. Okay. Then make a line after line 89. Okay, back to either. So if close is true, so we have to get that out beforehand, and then we have to read the dormant bit.
Okay.
Alright, so get the close bit out. So is close, local is close. That is closed. There's a D at the end of the word. Alright, and if it's closed, then yeah, let's read another one.
And it's be dormant.
Yeah, so just dormant. Alright, so we consume another one. Let's go. There's an empty line you can remove now. 94. Okay, let's go back to either just in case. So what else? If B is partial, we have to read 2 more bits. You see that down there?
Yeah.
And we only check if it's reliable. So if it's reliable, then we have a sequence, otherwise not. Alright, let's try that code. So where we read the channel sequence, let's go there. So that is channel sequence. You can see? Alright.
Yeah.
So reliable, we have to get out the reliable bit. So yeah, in there is reliable. Yeah. Okay. So and if it's reliable, then only then we have the channel sequence.
Yeah.
So go to channel. Yeah. Okay. And we also need partial. That is the one that we just read before that. Line 36 here. Or we read it in line 33. Better said. Okay, so let's take that out in code and then insert that afterwards. Partial. Why do you always make so many space lines?
I'm used to it. I'm writing my own code.
Alright, so take it from the line below. Or like this, sure. It's partial. Okay. So after... No, not here. No. Wrong line. After the... this comes after we check the channel
The channel
sequence.
sequence.
Yeah. Yeah. Just insert 2, right? And let's see what they are called. Partial initial and partial final. Okay. And the channel type is only written if it's reliable or open. Let's add that. We have both of those already. In Lua you just write or, the word in the English word, I think. Or, let me check.
Yeah, I think you used that somewhere before. Oh, here.
Oh yeah, okay, never mind. Alright, where we at? Channel type is reliable or is open. Anything else from either? There should be get numbits. Finally. Yeah, and that's it. Alright, great, let's test this.
Okay, so we are saving. Resetting the wireshark. Okay, something freeze. Okay, so here we are have the NMT hello package. And here is our
Oh, it's now
challenge.
correct. Look,
It's now correct.
and login packet. Do we have that too? The 246 one?
Yeah, it's correct.
Ah, finally you do everything correct. It works. Okay,
So,
so do we still have in the code where we check for if is server, then remove that? Do we still have that in the code? Or, oh no, that was, I did this on my PC, not on yours. Right, never mind.
yeah, but it's here. Is server true and
So we can read server, oh great. So we can well, so what is the first one from the server we have to decode? What's go further up?
I
Yeah.
think the NMT challenge.
Yeah, that is the first one we have, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and see how its definition is made. So go to the source code of the engine, to NMT hello packet or anything. Just Control F for NMT hello. Yeah, anywhere of this. Just choose any. Yeah, just double click somewhere. Yeah, and control click. No. Oh, yeah, okay, that actually worked. So number 5. Oh no, number 3. So it's just a string. And do we know how that's called yet? Well, let's just call it challenge for now, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the code. And this is NMT challenge. Okay. Go to the code, right? First scroll up to the names of the packets. Yeah, number 3. So this is number 1, we need number 3. Just override it, it was just a placeholder. That would be NMT challenge. Alright, then further down, line 54. Alright, here we go. And you just copy the line 53 from the encryption token. Alright, and put it there. And that would be our challenge. So encryption token, replace that with challenge. Alright.
I don't think it will be that easy, but we can check that.
We will we will know in a minute. That's why it was so that was important to me to make the header correct. I think you have a big, yeah. Don't have the challenge. Okay.
So
It's
maybe we can use.
no. I mean, just look right on the right side in the bytes. In the middle of it, you see the 3. Okay, that is in as a message ID. Then we have definitely a 32-bit value, and then the string. So that checks out. I just guess function is not working. So let's make a test. Go to the code, and in the toString function. No. What? Just go to the readString function, and we return the length that we read. So we at least know that is correct. So comment out the return table, line 35. So we in Lua it's dash minus sign 2 times. Yeah, like that. And instead return L. Or no, write toString just together, all lowercase. toString.
What?
Just please write toString. No, 2. Yeah, string, just together. And in brackets, return L. So it will already fill the return code with the number as a string. Just put L here, we want to have the length from line 20.
Okay.
Yeah, press L, great. Now let's test that. If we can at least read the length of the string correctly. And then we figure out about the string stuff. Six megabytes, that's a long recording. Okay. What do we get? 9. Okay, so that's correct. So the problem, and there's a comma in between, or it makes it a float. Nice. Anyway, we need instead to look at how the string is built together. I can quickly try to fix that on my screen. My code. Okay, give me a second, or try it yourself to fix the code here. Essentially, we could try to just in the first loop the table insert to make it to a concatenate like the return. But let me write that down for you. Shit. Can you just quickly send me your code in the Discord chat? Just from
Sure.
just from the string function. Just the string function. So it's not flooding the chat. Okay. Let me rewrite that for you quickly. See if I wrote it correctly. Okay, it looks good to me. I cannot test it. That's your job today.
Okay. So replace this, right?
Yeah, just replace it. It's a lot shorter now.
Okay.
Let's hope for the best. I told you Lua isn't fun.
Yeah.
Especially if you can only debug with restarting wireshark. Okay, let's see what we get. You don't always have to uncheck the okay. Well, yes, that is technically true. Ah, okay. Go to the code, please. The code of Lua. Gotcha. Send you something in the chat. So we need that, and you need it in line 24. Surround the C with this function. Alright, let's try that. Ignoring UTF-8 for now. Just trying ASCII. Hey, there we have our data. And we have a working string function, which is also very useful. Okay, so what's the next one the server sends? Right below this. Ah.
This one?
It's still... S0. Okay. So the content seems to change if it comes from the server. This is also an NMT0. And it's supposed to have 18 bits of payload. Well, it could be 18 bits. That is 2 byte. Yeah, that could be true. I don't know, we have to figure out this later. Let's go to our login package, the one we are actually interested today. Number 5. Mambo number 5. Alright, let's just start. 2 strings. Well, actually that's a byte array, but we can just assume it as a string. And let's see how far we get.
Okay.
Oops. Let's just call it string 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure how they are called yet. Oh, okay. Don't just take numbers, we need more.
How much strings were there? 2 or 3?
Pooh. I don't have it open anymore. Can you show? Okay, let me... We have 1 strings, 2 strings, and then we have a 32-bit number. Then we have 2 more strings. Okay, yeah. So always 2 strings together and in between a number. So just copy these 2 lines together. Just copy line, make this the empty line, remove that, revert, undo. Okay, copy the 2 lines you just wrote. Okay, under each other. Yeah, just copy it below it. Yep, and in between these, yeah, 3 and 4, between 2 and 3, copy the line 44. Yeah. Int 1, I don't know, number, okay. 32 looks good. Alright then, let's see.
It's taking a while.
Sure. Well, look at this.
It looks nice.
So, anything missing? No, no. Okay. Well, that goes easy. Let's just continue, I guess. So,
Okay. So next packet I think will be this one. And it shall be the NMT welcome, as we can see here.
ah, that's just 3 strings.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Maybe put it in order. Welcome. I'm must be an else if. Together, right? Okay. And 3 strings. All right.
Let's see. Oh,
Yeah, something wrong. Line 49.
okay. Let's see.
Poof! It exploded.
So here it is.
Nice. And the last one is really 0. Okay, yeah, that checks out.
Okay. So it's the map path and the game mode path. Send it to the client.
Yeah, that makes sense. Man, that is some progress. Okay, what's the next one?
Message ID 4. And 4 stands for the net speed.
Oh, that's just an int32. Easy, let's go.
Okay.
Missing an equal sign.
Okay, let's see.
Could you please make the spaces between else if and message same? Thanks. Oh yeah, for the listeners, just for understanding, this is PUBG Lite's original game talking to our server.
Yeah,
You should
we
probably,
made quite a progress lately.
yeah, you should probably mention that.
Okay,
You
so
know, you have the
here it is.
dissector to know which packet you're at. Just leave it open and go through the packets. Oh, nice.
Yeah, here it is.
Great, that worked.
Okay. It's not a good number, I think, but in the UE4 documentation, it said that the server and client are negotiating the net speed, so it's probably the proposition from the client, and then
Hmm.
server sends its own proposition.
What does the server answer? Oh, we don't have the... Oh, something is wrong here. Get numbered COO is definitely wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we definitely have to check what to do with the server. Wait, can you go to the... I know, we checked that before, that where we had the if condition, if it's a server then do this or that, but I think we removed that. Server would be in the, yeah, here. Just highlight it to see if it's used anywhere. Alright, only for the client ID, otherwise not. Okay, good, so that checks out.
Yeah, that might be the ACK packet also,
I
but
don't know.
it's quite big, so I don't know.
Nah, that's not really big. If you compare it to the other ones, the smallest
Yeah.
one is 6, so this is not much more. Um, Okay, what's the
Here
next
is
one we
the,
have? Oh, it's net speed again.
it's message 9.
Ah, there.
So it stands for the join, and
And
join
has nothing.
doesn't has nothing.
Okay,
Okay.
check in the data. So go to wireshark. Yeah, there is no data for that. There's only the
Okay.
9. You can see it in the second last byte there. And
Yeah, it's here.
so, alright, that checks out. What's the next one we send?
We can make it here.
Ah, yeah, for the message name, sure. That's pretty much all you have to do. Oh wait, you still have to do an else if, or it writes unknown packet. Like now.
Ah, oh, here.
Yeah. That's the thing, Lua doesn't support switch cases. Which is kinda annoying, but yeah, okay. Then that's it. Okay. Alright, what's next?
It froze. Wait.
Sure.
The hell? Oh. Okay, so something is definitely wrong here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's skip that one.
And also, reopen with the changed code.
Oh, okay.
Just so we have the current version. Can you please first open the dissector and then go through the
Yeah,
packets?
yeah.
Yeah, okay, so then it's easier to see what packet we're in. Is it already our problem packet? Okay, I
Can you
guess
repeat?
yes. If this is already our problem packet, how you know that, but okay. I just guess yes. What's the packet before? Can we decode that? That's what we just did. Okay, so that is okay. And channel type is 1. So far okay, and the next packet? No, that's from server. No, that's from server. Please go one up. That's the next one from client. And this is where we have the problem with the reading. Channel type is still 1, so that is correct. Channel index, I don't know. It's not partial. And the count of bits is definitely wrong. And huh. Wait. This, can you go to the source code from the engine where we have the stateless connection? Oh wait, what's this stateless connection thing? So the idea is that the hello packet from the server looks different. Who sends the hello packet on the server side? Do you know that? Well, actually, just go back and look for references for that hello packet here in
An
code.
empty hello, you mean?
It, yeah, no, the one we are
The
currently
first
looking.
handshake.
No, oh yeah, hello, it's hello, the first one. Yeah, no, just go back in code. Just go back. Yeah, go to the hello packet and see references to that. Where is this used?
It's used inside the
Yeah,
send initial.
case UDP message segment hello. What is that? Process hello segment? Where are we at here? Is this a server side? That makes sense. Can you scroll up and down what cases we have here? Consume inbound. Well, look into the process hello segment function. Let's see what it does. Remote node ID. So it's just what is remote ID? It's an F GUID. Okay, that is 32 by 464 128 number. You can control click on the class to see more of it. So it's just 4 numbers essentially, and it's each in 32. Okay, so let's adapt our Lua code for that. Please go to
Okay.
Lua. Still not sure if we have enough data for that, but let's see. So if message equals 0, that line. Okay. After that, make a new line, and then if is server. Then we
But server is not defined here, I think.
then please put it into the parameters at the end. First here in read payload. Yeah, is server. Okay, and then insert it at the end of the function below. Pretty much at the end. Read payload. Yeah. Is server. Okay, now if is server, then we read for 32-bit values. Just make an end block here. No, an else block. Else. Close enough. Then these 3 stuff if you are the client. Just, yeah, great. And an end block. After else, we need an end block. Yeah, it's Lua. Okay. And yeah, copy from somewhere. Net speed or so. Or, yeah, like this. We need 4. Okay.
They were coded like that, I think.
Okay. Please go back to the source code. And go back in code here. So, if is valid, then reset if restarted. Can you go into that reset if restarted? Actually, no. Reset. Yeah, okay, ignore that. You can go back. I was just wondering if they add more data here somehow to segment.data. You see the serialize call there, but I guess not that we have anything in the lower function there. Okay, I guess we can just try it out now. This is from client. No. You have to look for the server packet with message ID 0. That was further up, so just go from the packets.
Oh, here.
Oh, okay. And it's all 0, that is wrong. Ah, okay. So the server side, we definitely have work to do. Interesting. But yeah, there's definitely not enough data for anything here. That this is even message ID 0. Look, get numbits is 0. So if get numbits is 0, we have to stop. We have to stop reading. Message ID isn't even included there. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
But wait, please compare other packets from the server. If get numbits makes sense. See, here it's not making sense. COO is definitely way more data than we have. So definitely we have to look into the data into the server side more. But yeah, you see, we just have to insert the variable and then we can differentiate if it came from the server or from the client. Okay. So what was our problem packet? Do you remember that
What do
one?
you mean by problem packet?
So this works and the next one does not. Both from client. Yeah, see? Numbits doesn't work. We have way too little data. Oh no, actually we have data. But this looks bit shifted or stuff. This looks like three 32-bit ints, but it's bit shifted. So message ID 0 definitely is wrong. Don't wait. Do we have the log for this packet by any chance? The debugging
Not
log?
really.
Ah, shit.
But here's the channel index 33, so I think it's definitely wrong.
Yeah.
Look, always 0 true, open or 0 close true, open true, close true. Everything is true here.
Wait, do you sense the encryption bit from the server side?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Well, we could debug that. You know, uh, make a longer write bits log with the server, and we could go with the server side packets next. I mean, we got pretty far with the client side now, even if we stop here right now. But or we could also of course make a breakpoint in the client game and figure out how this packet was created with our logs. Do you have the breakpoints and everything set up?
Inside the Visual Studio or x64 debug?
This would be because this packet we are currently looking at is coming from PUBG Lite, the original game. So in your debugger of the x86 or no, so x64 debugger,
Yeah, I have the logs.
um, the breakpoint for the logs. Okay, because we have to log this packet and not another one. Um, I should be first. We have to figure out who sent that. Can we go?
I
Can
I see I see that this is the first packet that have the 22 size, but I know if it's constant. So we can try to make another log in wireshark, check if this packet size is constant, and then we have make a breakpoint in regv from and check for the count bytes.
yeah, we could, but we don't have to. I think.
Yeah?
So the packet go one packet below, the last one from the clients that we understand. So just one lower. This is the join packet, right?
Yeah.
And as you see, with pretty much no time delay, uh, in it essentially sends the next packet after it, after the join. So if we find in the source code of our game the part where we send the join packet, pretty sure we also see right after it sends the next packet that we would expect. So we at least know what we are expecting as next packet. Okay. Also
Okay.
we know the function we need to breakpoint, find it in IDA, and then in the debugger make a breakpoint in PUBG Lite to see how this packet, the next one after it, is actually structured.
Okay. So first we need to find the place where the NMT join is sent, right?
Right. So NMT join all references, please.
Okay. So as it's I know how to find it. As it's sent it from the client to the server, uh, The upending net game is handling the control messages inside the client.
Sure. I I I trust you. Just show me. By the way, have you disabled AV antivirus? Lol.
No, no.
Please do, because then your access to hard drive is faster and searching goes faster. No, just antivirus. Oh yeah, however you wanna do it. Always just type security or something. Yep, yep, that one.
Okay, and
Okay.
here we should find the not the challenge as it's sending the login, I think. Yeah, an empty login. Here is the welcome and the join is. Oh, here is an empty
Just
net
just
speed.
Control F for join.
Yeah, I think so.
I guess IDE is faster than our eyes. Yeah.
Okay, so we need to wait a little more. Yeah. So it
Pending
would be
net game.
this receive. This is this card.
No, no, go to the pending net game line. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, send join, that's okay. Yeah, yeah, where's this called? Yeah, that makes sense.
load map completed.
So we send join and we
After the client has loaded the map.
yeah. Okay, let's find use. Wait, we have. Oh no, that's the only reference. Never mind. Follow that.
So it means that we have actually loaded the map with our server.
That is already good. That's where we add, and the other one is just a reference in the header file. Oh, there it is. Wait, where was it called? Can you please go back?
Here.
Load map completed. And then we return the function. Ah, anything other called here? No, okay, let's see reference to this function then.
Word travel.
Oh, really? No, please, I think you overscrolled the function. Here, that's just travel. Shit. Ending game. Okay, so definitely this will be done in the next step. Well, what would be the next step? But wait. We know half these functions in IDA. So we can just make a breakpoint on send to. Also, wait, make a breakpoint or wait. We can find the function that sends the join packet, right?
Yeah.
Make it in IDA. Makes a breakpoint to wait there. Let the program stop there. Have the logs activated, so we just go wait until we run into send to, so it sends a join packet, and then we just wait for the next send to, and hopefully that contains our packet. And in between locked our bit access. You get what I mean?
Yeah, I think so.
So we
So
don't
we
have
need to.
endless lock. No, no, you can go back. You don't have to go that far up. These we have to find the send join and load map complete. We also don't have. Ah shit! But I think we have the uworld tick function, so we do actually have to go so far back. Damn. One more. Let's just load completed. Yep. This function that we are in. Copy that
Word
name.
travel.
Yeah.
And we have the string here.
Sure. Uh, sure. but we already have the function. Just go to IDA and let's search for the function. It's the quickest. Tick world.
We have it already, right?
Yeah, tick world travel. Just copy the name. You don't have to write the full name. Just write tick world.
Okay, we have this.
Wait, that's engine. Is that the right one? There are multiple tick functions. Engine, tick world travel. Great. Okay. Let's go down. We are looking for 2 calls consecutively. Probably at the end. So starting with an if check. Just scroll to the end, let's go from there. If poo. Okay, let's go into that. Let's make a quick guess. What does it look like? A sending function? Could be a sending function. What's this doing? Default player.
Player. It wasn't there.
Okay, let's go to the source code. What do we have here? Load map. How does this function look like? It starts with engine load map, so there are a few strings. This load map we would expect. Okay, they're not. Go back. So I think we're in the wrong case. This is the else part and we have to go into the other one. What's line 201? What's this doing? Still not. Okay. Oh, okay. We have to match the if-then clauses and stuff. Do we know what parameters we put into this function here from the source code? What types they are?
Yeah. F strings.
No,
Error.
you're on the wrong line.
Oh.
This is load map, it's also wrong. This is where we add context and delta seconds. Oh, okay, not. Please please rename the delta seconds. And the other one would be context. Keep this highlighted and let's see where it's used. There. Okay, one first thing, go back to the start of the function. V4 is assigned context in line 6. Please click on V4, right click it, yeah, and map to another variable. Yes, and context, right. Sure, let's see if that works. So we see, because now has no world after ticking seamless travel handler. Please check that string in the source code. Just copy it here. Okay,
Here.
Okay, first part first. Well, let's walk through it then. The next. So this is the whole line 10,082 to 10,087. 88. That's the whole block where we have an if condition that checks something from context, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now in IDA, why? Okay.
I have. Oh fuck. I have the moving, talking button on the mouse, and it's also for going back.
Okay. So result here check something from context in line 8. Okay, so line 9 up to line 24 is our first if clause. You see that? Line 9 to 24 just marks that area.
Yeah, I see.
From here to there, right, is in source code what? Nope. Oh yeah, that's alright, cool. So then we do another if stuff with context again. As we are working off result, okay. Do we check the delta seconds in the source code? Somewhere there. There's, not really. Okay. Back to Ida, please. Okay. Delta seconds gets assigned to something. Okay, that is correct. So in line 27, put your cursor on that curly bracket. Yeah, and now just go with your keyboard. No, don't move the mouse, don't scroll, don't do anything. Just take the cursor as the arrow down on your keyboard. Okay, until you hit the next bracket. Just hold it. Just go down. Keep going until you hit the next bracket. Continue, 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 continue. Stop. Okay, so here's the else part. Let's check in source code how the else part looks, because we want to. You can skip the whole first if. Wait. You can fold it. But next to the if is this little thing. Yeah, click it and it's gone. So we don't have an else part. Interesting. So we skipped this whole block, I guess, if we skipped the else part as well. Unfold it, please, again. Is there a big if-else part in here? See, here's the next if. Fold that. Oh no, there's only down there an if-else. Interesting. You know, we have to find ways to go through the code and get to the part that we want to know. You know, the call to that sends the join NMT join packet. By the way, let me check how far is our recording actually. Oh,
Something about the hour.
we already have an hour, so we can go a little bit overtime, why not? So, back to Ida. The else part, you can probably skip as well. Yeah, take the cursor, it's more reliable. Okay, and we are already somewhere totally else. Shit. So we only have this big part and the big part above it. That means the compiler rearranged the control flow to optimize it. And we now have to puzzle out which part is what. You see there's an FURL used in 187. Let's see where in source code that happens.
Here is one, but maybe... Oh, there is another.
And any more? No.
No,
So
just
if we
this.
see FURL, we are definitely in the wrong part. Alright?
Yeah, it seems so.
Our part has nothing FURL looking like. Okay, let's go to IDA. So this block is definitely a wrong one. Okay. So
Yeah.
we should see another FURL. Is that another one, or is that the one we just had? Yeah, there are two. Okay, these blocks we can ignore, so we can go back to the... Yeah, so in this part maybe. Yeah, we have the FURL copy, I don't know. Shit. I mean, you can go into each of the unknown functions and look which one looks close to... Okay, this is loading a new U object. I don't think we create a new U object in the sending part. Default player. Do we see that somewhere in our source? Just Control F. Ah. Update startup map. Go to the reference to that. Also rename it in either then. Package names. Get startup map. Still not where we at. Oh, Unreal Engine. Okay. Yeah, first go to IDA and rename the function, so at least we have that. And it's I mean FS? No, it's F string, yeah. Startup map. Oh great, they made this an engine function. Crazy. Okay, let's go back in our source code and see where this is used. This is get map name static. Okay, is this used? Oh, actually, yeah. Okay, is this used? The function we are currently in. Where is this used? Get its usages. It's just giving the reference. Here's it's used. I think this whole function we are in here is was inlined. Can you scroll up in code here? Engine RP, yeah, that usually gets inlined. And can you go a reference to this function? Yes. I just wanna see if we somehow come back to our world tick. Yeah, world. Is it still searching? I'm not sure. Startup model. Huh. How the hell did we got there then? Yeah, go back. Still go back. Startup map. Yeah, so... yeah, browse to default map. Please go into that. It's your cursor already at. Get
Oh,
default. So
it's not that.
it's that function instead. Okay, what makes sense. And we know where in code we at. So we are... wait, are we close? Yeah, we are
Yeah,
close.
yeah.
So we stay there and go to IDA. So we have to go into the other course. Okay. So these last ones are probably the one we are looking for. Because you see after browse to default maps we already return. You see, you can check in source code why. Yeah, I'm not sure which function that is. That would be broadcast travel value. And please check what package missing is, what value that is. No, just copy the name. And this is number
3.
3. Okay, so we should see in either that we pass a 3 in there. And there's a 3. Okay, great. So we can rename that. This is just a global static function, no class. So, and then...
Yeah, context dot pending net game.
wait,
We can...
can you please go to the source again? I wanna read too. Let me please read. Look, and there we have access to an URL. So the copy URL call also makes sense in IDA.
Yeah.
Okay, please go to IDA. See, copy URL. This is get put into 45 and then 45. This is, you can make a comment here after that and just for now as a comment for us write from source code the call down. That would be load map call. No, that one. Yeah, just copy all of that. And you can rename 446 to be loaded map successfully. Okay, and behind this you can write the next line in source code. And the line afterwards, I mean, it's just setting something to 0. Okay, so that's good to know. And that's also where we would have to breakpoint in the debugger now. You know? That's
Yeah.
load map completed, would then send... Yeah, okay. Don't overdo it. It's getting optimized a lot. Please go to source code and source code, and go to load map completed, just to make sure. Yeah, this does a lot of stuff and sends our join packet. Okay, good. So we can breakpoint on this function call. We now know where it is, and then obviously log out how the next packet is built. Wanna do that
The
now
first
or
one,
wanna
right?
do it next? No. Why do you have it that weird? Just right click on that line in the source code and copy to assembly. You have to click somewhere free in the line. Somewhere free in the line. You clicked on something. Yeah. No, I guess after your comment. And it's kind of hard to do. Copy to assembly. Yes, please. Now go to IDA. Just make it an extra tab. Why do we have this split view? Can you make this a big tab, please? And not a split view? The IDA view? Yeah, something like that. Great. So if you scroll up, every line of source code is now attached to the block of assembly that is corresponding to it, right?
Yeah.
What now?
Sorry.
So, and where's the call? Can you see it? Yeah, that is a call, and that is the address. Yep. And you should see that in IDA, in x64
Yeah. So
debugger.
I think we can find this function and we can end on this.
We don't have to find it, we found it.
Yeah, but I mean the load map completed.
No, this was more about we only know that at this point we send the join packet, right? At this
Right.
call where you just want to make a breakpoint. We are interested in the packet after it. If you go back to wireshark, that's the one we cannot decode correctly.
Yeah.
If it's ever loading again. So the join is working, but the next one you see is garbage. And for that
Yeah.
we need the log from the debugger to make the bit writes visible. Alright?
Okay.
Well, I guess we can just stop here. We have an episode together. For everyone who is still watching and hasn't fallen asleep yet, thanks for watching and hopefully see you soon.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Goodbye.